is Mina with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings here at the Fairmont Kea Lani in Maui. And we're in the Wailea area of Maui, so this is going to be a great area for those who want to go off and do some shopping, because the Wailea shops are nearby along with a lot of other local shops. What I love about the Fairmont Kea Lani, and I love sending my clients here who like having a little more space in the rooms. All their suites are pretty much this size or larger. This is a 1-bedroom Oceanview Suite. And I'll look back here. Again, this is one of the larger suites. You're not just getting a room with a bathroom. You have an entire living room space with a pull-out couch for the families. And you have your desk area. And the balcony is nice and large too, because you have such a large suite space. And here's the bedroom. And a second TV in the bedroom space, so if you are traveling with kids, you can have the kids in the living room. You can shut the doors, and then you have your own bedroom space. And you have 2 closets, so you have tons of closet space. And if you're going to be in Maui, you're going to be here at least 5 nights or more. So it's kind of nice having all that space when you're here for a longer period of time. You do have just the 1 bathroom. With full tub and shower. Toilet room. And because you have that nice suite setup, if you have kids in the living room, you've got the door into the bedroom here, but then they never have to even bother you or go through your room, because there's a separate door that leads out to the entry from the bathroom. And then this is an Oceanview Suite, so as we come out on the balcony, overlooking the pool. And you've got the ocean.